one tip, keep to your left when you see someone going down fast on your right. We are stuck in the middle of the Africa desert.
Morning, Sunday morning again. Second time going T15 trail hopefully. Pagi.
T15 hari kedua.
Hari kedua.
I think the highest one.
Give me some water. Gonna start our trail. Let's go.
Tak buat vlog kan? Tak.
Your tips for today?
Today no tips. The trail is wet, so a bit more sketchy. But doable lah. As for the snow, there's a lot of people going very fast. So one tip, keep to your left when you see someone going down fast on your right.
Don't look down.
Don't down, yes.
Look up or look straight.
The trail is wet.
Okay. MTB, how's the cycle today? Okay.
Again, because we are done, that's why. We are there, we stop.
Yeah, a lot of riders filling out and resting. Yeah, the south entrance. You can south entrance. It's the entrance near the zoo. It's the entrance near the zoo. They're just resting.
Yeah, I want to see the buffalo.
Yo. We are at Ulu Sembawang Park Connector. We are trying this new PCN route. Ulu Sembawang Park Connector is around 10 to 15 minute cycle from Mandai. Or if you are faster, maybe 5 minutes. Okay, let's try this route. Bye bye. It's a nice PCN at Ulu Sembawang Park Connector. It's a bit of a climb, but it's manageable. Yeah, Sunday morning. Yes. How was the downslope? Good. Was fast downslope. Yeah. RM What's the speed like? You never check it. Okay, we just went down slope. It was very nice, very fast. Viewpoint. By now we're going up slope. Oh no! I will take my time while Ash will speed. See you guys up there. The middle of the Ulu Sembawang area. Going to see some nice view here. Ash here. Jom. Yep.
Nice view. Yellow farm. No wildlife, I hope.
Guys, okay, Ulu Sembawang here, surrounded by tall grass. Okay, let's go.
Let's go, man. We are stuck in the middle of the Africa desert. Okay, no, sorry, not Africa. Thailand forest. Up. So we are at Ulu Sembawang viewpoint. You can view sunrise here. But the sun is already up there. Yep. So if you want to go here very early in the morning, you have to follow a very small path. Okay. All the way back up.
We're taking a break now. Some bus stop. And some water. Some bananas. Hey, we ended all right. We go T15 Sembawang Ulu Park. We went to some tall grasses forest and to see some views.
Yes.
On the way back,
With the kids.
yeah, so we are back. And today is Sunday morning,
22nd October.
22nd October,
Yep.
2023.
Tomorrow, right?
Okay, take care everyone.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.